In this video, I'll guide you through how to import invoices in Zoho Books from Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an invoice spreadsheet you've prepared in Google Sheets and bring it into Zoho Books so it's ready to use in your accounting workflow. To get started, open your browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Sign into your Zoho Books account if you're not already logged in, and make sure you're in the correct organization where you want these invoices to live. It's always a good idea to double check that you're in the right company file before importing any financial data. Once you're on the main dashboard in Zoho Books, look for the menu on the left-hand side. Today, I'll show you how to move from that dashboard into the section where invoices are managed. In the left menu, find and click on the sales option. This is where Zoho Books groups all your sales-related items, such as customers, estimates, and of course, invoices. After you click Sales, you'll see a list of options or tabs related to your sales activities. From here, click on Invoices. This takes you to the main Invoices page, where you normally see a list of all the invoices you've created in Zoho Books. This is also where we'll access the import tools. On the Invoices page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. I'm going to walk you through how to open the Additional Options menu. You should see an icon with 3 dots, usually indicating more options. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take related to invoices. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Import Invoices and click it. This is the feature Zoho Books provides for bringing in invoice data from an external file, such as the one you exported from Google Sheets. Make sure you've already prepared and downloaded your Google Sheets file in a compatible format, typically as a CSV or XLSX file. Now you'll see an import screen where Zoho Books asks you to choose a file. Click the button to browse your computer, then navigate to the folder where you saved the file that came from Google Sheets. It helps to name your file clearly before this step, so it's easy to recognize among your downloads. Once you've found the correct file, select it and click Open. At this point, Zoho Books will attach that file to the import process, but it won't bring anything in just yet. You still have a chance to confirm you picked the right spreadsheet, and in the next steps, map your columns properly if Zoho Books prompts you to do so. When your file is selected and you're ready to proceed, click Next. This moves you forward in the import workflow, where Zoho Books may show you a preview of your data and ask you to confirm how each column in your file should match the invoice fields in Zoho Books, such as customer name, invoice number, dates, and amounts. Take your time here to review everything before finalizing the import. And that's the complete process for starting an invoice import from a Google Sheets file into Zoho Books.